I'm Ben Potenza. I'm the Vice President of Marketing with EquipNet. For 15 years, EquipNet's been the leader in surplus asset management. We help companies like Merck, Johnson & Johnson, Novartis, and many other large pharmaceutical companies with their surplus equipment. The benefits of utilizing used R&D equipment, first of all, is if you have it already in your facility, it makes sense to relocate that or redeploy it in another part of the facility or from one facility to another. That saves you the most amount of money. It has the highest value for that piece of equipment. Secondly, when you're buying used equipment, you can save anywhere between 25 and 75% off the price of new. Finally, with used equipment, you can actually save time and money by getting that equipment much quicker than you would sometimes from an OEM. When you're buying new, there's a wait time that's involved. With used equipment, you purchase that equipment, you get it shipped, you put it on your bench, and you're off and running. So when a company or an individual approaches EquipNet to purchase equipment, they can do that in a couple of different ways. One is that they can go to any of our auctions and certainly bid on equipment there. But if they're looking for something very specific and they need assistance in that, they could go to our marketplace where we sell a variety of instrumentation and analytical equipment every day. We encourage them to actually call one of our sales representatives from around the world. We have expertise on the other end of that phone line that can help with our customers' needs as far as, will this instrument work for my application? Am I looking at the wrong model? Can you tell me a little bit more about what this piece of equipment was used for? It's that sort of expertise that sets us apart. It's not just about the technology, it's not just about clicking and saying, I want that HPLC, I just want to put it in my shopping cart and go. No, we need to do a little bit more hand-holding with that, and EquipNet provides that expertise. For our corporate clients, we provide a full asset management program, and critical to the success of those programs is the ARMS system, which is our Asset Redeployment Management System. This is a private website that we provide for each of these clients where they can post their surplus equipment, track the availability of that equipment, go through the workflow of getting that equipment transferred from one site to another. ARMS is actually deployed in over 3,800 facilities worldwide throughout our client base, and there are about 9,800 registered users at this time. Another good thing that ARMS does is it actually promotes the program by showing the results to each of our clients. So if you're a particular company that has an ARMS program, right there on the homepage you'd see how many active projects there are, how many redeployments you have, how many items have been sold. For example, for one company just in the last 3 or 4 years, we've done over 50 projects with them. We've redeployed about 1,500 items for them, and we've saved them in the course of redeploying and selling off their used equipment about $50 million.